Think you're smart with money because you have a college degree? Well, here's a reality check that might sting a little. The most financially successful people aren't necessarily the ones with the highest IQs or the fanciest diplomas. In fact, your psychology might be sabotaging your wealth without you even realizing it. I'm about to reveal the hidden mental traps that are keeping you broke, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why your brilliant friend from college is still living paycheck to paycheck while that guy who barely graduated high school just bought his second rental property. Your financial decisions aren't driven by logic. They're driven by invisible psychological forces that were shaped long before you ever opened your first bank account. Think about it. A person who grew up during hyperinflation will stuff cash under their mattress, while someone who witnessed the stock market boom will throw everything into investments. Same intelligence, completely different behaviors. Neither is crazy, they're just operating from different mental programming. If you're between the ages of 25 to 40, you've probably noticed that 2025 was expensive. Between rising insurance, the end of the student loan on-ramp, and just life, most of us are hitting 2026 feeling financially burnt out. We're overspending not because we're bad with money, but because we're using spending as a dopamine hit to cope with the stress of the new normal. Today, we're breaking the cycle. No lectures, just a 2026 specific roadmap to reclaiming your bank account. For some of us, it's the Sunday scaries, ordering takeout and browsing Amazon because Monday feels looming. For others, it's the 3 p.m. boredom scroll. Take action by auditing your last 3 months. Don't look at how much you spent, look at when you spent it. If you see a pattern of late-night or high-stress purchases, you've found your dopamine trap. Recognizing the trigger is 50% of the battle. In 2026, spending is too easy. One-click checkout, biometrics, the pain of paying has been anesthetized. To stop overspending, we have to reintroduce friction. Step 1. Delete the apps. If you have to go to a browser and log in, you give your logical brain 60 seconds to catch up. Step 2. The 30-day wish list. If you want something non-essential, it goes on a list for 30 days. In 2025, 60% of impulse buys were regretted within a week. If you still want it in a month, buy it then. Step 3. Unsubscribe from sale emails. They aren't saving you 20%, they are costing you 80% of money you wouldn't have spent otherwise. Follow the traffic light rule used by successful 2026 low spenders. Green light, your essentials. Housing, groceries, health. No guilt here. Yellow light, replacement only. You can buy new shoes if your current ones have holes. You can buy a new book if you finish the 3 on your nightstand. Red light, your void fillers. For most of us, this is home decor, another water bottle, or skincare we don't need. These are no-buy for the next 90 days. Remember, everything has a price, but not all prices appear on price tags. The cost of investment returns isn't money, it's the sleepless nights during market crashes, the anxiety during economic uncertainty. The cost of entrepreneurship isn't just startup capital, it's years of stress and uncertainty. Figure out what you're willing to pay before you commit.